everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So usually I always show you all cupcakes, chocolates, sweet things in my videos. But today I'm going to show you something very tasty but very healthy at the same time. So salads always have this perception that they are bland, boring, tasteless. But Simply Salads in Panjim have completely changed that view on people. And today Simply Salads have given me 4 of their best salads and I cannot wait to try them out. So they have given me October Veg, which looks really very good. The second one is Spring Surprise, and it does look like a surprise because it's so colorful. Second is one of my most favorite salads, and that is Caesar salad. And then they have given me Beanie Boni. Ooh, a nice name, Beanie Boni. Let's give it a go. I had visited Simply Salads a few days back and I really enjoyed it. I tried their Thai chicken salad and I absolutely loved the dressing. It was like a sweet and sour dressing with basil and iceberg lettuce, shredded chicken. It was really delicious. I can't believe that it's healthy. So yes, if it's healthy and tasty at the same time, why not enjoy those salads? So yes, I'm going to open the salads one by one, taste them and review it to you guys. So let's start with the video. So guys, the first salad that I'm going to start with is the chicken Caesar salad. First up, I really liked how their packaging is. It smells good. It has, I can see croutons, some iceberg lettuce, a dressing and chicken inside. So let's give it a go. Oh, this salad is really very tasty. Guys, I always like it when my salads have a little crunch to it, like peanuts or croutons or even the lettuce. I'm really enjoying this salad. The dressing is delicious. It's kind of like mayo, but it's really tasty. And I think one portion of this is sufficient for one person for lunch because salads usually fill you up. And I will mention all the rates over here or in the description below. So make sure you check it out. Also their Instagram page and their store address so that you can visit as soon as possible. So I'm just going to have one more bite because it's super delicious and move on to the next. Alright guys, the next salad that I'm going to try is this Spring Surprise. Let's open it up. Guys, if you eat half and you feel full, then you can just close it and save it for later. So that's a really good thing. So from what I can see chickpeas, grapes, pomegranate, lettuce, onion. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. This salad is like a burst of flavors in my mouth. No wonder its name is Spring Surprise. It really surprises your palate, guys. The sweetness from the pomegranate and the grapes, the tanginess in the dressing. I really love the dressing, the chickpeas, the crunch from the onion, the lettuce. I can have this salad all day long. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, now I'm going to try the October Veg. Ooh, I can see apple, cucumber, capsicum, lettuce, iceberg lettuce, onion. Ooh, this looks like a salad for all the health freaks out there. Let's try it out. So guys, this salad is good. It's delicious. The dressing is really very good. Only thing I do not like capsicum, bell peppers, so I'm not a big fan of the salad, but overall I liked how there's the sweetness from the apples, the crunch from the cucumbers, also the lettuce, the onion. The dressing is, sweet, salty. It's really good. I would recommend you guys to try it out because it's good. Only thing for me, I don't like capsicum, so yeah, but rest it's good. Alright, time for the Beanie Boni. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It says Beanie Boni. Okay. It has croutons, peanuts. I can smell basil in this. Pomegranates. What? It's so good. because the dressing is super tasty. It's like sweet, but it gives you that namkeen factor, then the sour factor and the sweet factor. It's like mixed flavors. I love how the basil is working in this salad. Really good. So guys, these were the salads that I tried from Simply Salads. Now, if I had to select one out of them, it's so difficult. Chicken Caesar salad though is my like all-time favorite. But I was really in love with the Spring Surprised. It was like a flavor in my mouth, a burst of flavors in my mouth, a surprise in my mouth. The October veg is also very delicious. It's veg and it's healthy. It's good. And followed by this, the last one that I tried. I was shocked. The Beanie Boni. I was like, when I saw it, I could see all greens. I was like, okay, it has greens, but then those greens are super delicious and tasty. So out of the four, the first salad that I would recommend you guys to like go and try right now would be the Spring Surprise, followed by the Caesar salad, the Beanie Boni, and then the October veg. So guys, overall I loved the salads. It's a good treat for your taste buds, a healthy treat for your taste buds. I would recommend you guys visit the place or order yourselves this. Do order yourselves these salads, give them a go. I absolutely enjoyed these salads. It's almost lunchtime, so I'm going to devour these salads for lunch today. Thank you Simply Salads for a very healthy treat and yet a very delicious treat. I loved the salads. Also a special shout out to the owner, Miss Devki. She's so sweet, guys. The day when I went to her salads cafe, she was very sweet to me. Absolutely loved her, and I loved her salads as well. So yes, do visit their store, order yourself the salads. So guys, that's all I have for you in my today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please do give it a like, and yes, subscribe to my channel, show me some support, and I will be back soon with some more fun videos. Bye.